Good morning, Vidya Lakshmi YouTube channel. Good morning viewers. Today we are going to discuss commerce subject. The chapter name is functions of management. So what is mean by functions of management? Then what are the functions are there? We are going to discuss now. The concept of management. What is mean by concept of management? So management is a goal oriented programs. So management is a goal oriented and it's an art of getting things done with through to others. Getting done with through others. That is mean by concept of management. Mainly getting the information informed to others. Right. Next. The functions of management. There are two type functions are there. One is main function. Another one is subsidiary function. Now main function. There are 7 headings are there. Planning, organizing, staffing, directing, motivating, controlling, coordinating. So we will see one by one. First, planning. What is mean by planning? So planning is the primary functions of management. So planning refers to deciding the advance. So what we have to do? Plan before itself. That is mean by planning refers to deciding in advance. Next, planning should take place before doing. Planning should take place before doing. That is mean by planning. Then in our planning, what are the main concept? Main content being what shall be done? What shall be done? Where shall be done? How shall be done? And why shall be done? So this is why shall do it. This is the main thing we have to plan. So based on planning, we do the work for the next step, the movement of organizing. What is mean by organizing? So organizing function, work is assigned through employees. Work is assigned through employees who are giving authority. Who are giving authority to carry out the work. Carried out the work assigned and made accountable for it. To make accountable for it. So organization function mainly assigned the work given to the employees, then who are the main authority that carried out the work assigned to the accountable for it. Next one, staffing. What is mean by staffing? So staffing function comprises the activities of selection and placement. Activities of selection and placement of competent personnel. So competent person, right job and right person. Right job and right person we appointed. That point of view, we do the main function for staffing. Next, we will move on. In the words of staffing, refers to placement right person in the right job. Just now I told. Right person in the right job. That is mean by staffing. Next one, directing. So directing, it is a very, very important role. So how we are film industry, the director is very important role. The same way in our business point of view, in our company or organization point of view, the director work is very important. Based on in his direction only we do the work. So directing denotes we motivate them, lead them, guide them and communicating. So motivating, leading, guiding and communicating with subordinate who are all our workers, employees, supervisors. We will give some subordinate. They going on the going basis order to the accomplish preset goals. To accomplish preset goals. That is mean by directing. Right. Next, motivating. What is mean by motivating? So without motivation, no one can do the work. If you do any small work, just you appreciate it. Appreciation is very important because all the peoples they like that only. So in our business point of view, in our company point of view, the goal are to be achieved with the help of motivation. How we done the work immediately for the words, for the motivation for the words. So motivation include the increasing the speed of performance. Increasing speed of performance of the particular employees or particular person. For example, if you appreciate good job, you did good job, very good, I will appreciate it. This is good. So this is mean by motivation. Controlling. What is mean by controlling? So work and developing willingness. So work and developing a willingness on the part of work. The part of workers. The controlling is a part of workers. We do some work, we will give some willingness, you do complete it within the period or within the days That is mean by the workers that give works and developing a willingness on the part of workers. Next, it is a control function which facilitates synchronizing the actual performance, synchronizing the actual performance, the predetermined standard. Predetermined, we planned already, so that we are going on. So, predetermined standard, based on that we follow the controlling. So, controlling, it is also the important role in our main function. Coordination. So, coordination is very, very important, because if you take a boat, if you take a ship, the sailor, that is a very, very important role for the person. The same way in our coordination is the synchronizing or the unification, unity of command, unification or integration, combine together, go together all of you, of the actions of individual. Action is individual, but working in the enterprises in the different capacities, that is mean by coordination. Next, we will go for the subsidiary function. There are 4 headings are there: innovation, representation, decision making, communication. Now, we will see the first one. What is mean by innovation? So, innovation refers to the presentation of the personnel and organization. Innovation represent to the preparation of personnel and organization to face the changes made in the business world. So, what are the changes we need? We created the new innovation ideas. Then how the customers like our product, how the consumers like our product. They want to give any comments, any suggestion. Based on that, we can change our ideas, we can change our size, quality, whatever it is. So, based on in this innovation. The next one, representation. So, representation, a manager has act as a representative. If you take one company, managing director, manager, assistant manager, then supervisor, they are the lineman, they are all the representative person. They do the work for the company point of view. So, manager has dealing with the customer, supplier and government official. So, the higher authority, the top management, the top person of the managing director, he always deal with contact with the customers in our business point of view, suppliers in our production, purchasing point of view, the government official in our tax, in our other things, the legal point of view, dealing with the representation. The next one, decision making. What is mean by decision making? Here, the banks, financial institution, trade unions and the like, it is the duty for every manager to have a good relation with others. So, decision making means that decision making, it is important role for the managing director. What purpose? The banking purpose, financial institution purpose and trade union purpose and other like it is the duty of the manager is to have the good relation with all the areas, with all the person dealing with smoothly, right. So, every employee of an organization has to number of decision every day. We will take decision making every day. What are the changes we need? We can do the changes immediately. We can succeed in our business point of view. So, decision making helps in the smooth function of in our organization, smooth function of in an organization. So, this is mean by decision making. The next one, communication. What is mean by communication? Communication is the transmission of the human thoughts. Communication is the transmission of human thoughts, one person to another person to next person. The move on the information or view or opinion from one person to another person. The workers are informed about what should be done, where it is to be done, what should be done, where it is to be done, how it is to be done, why it is to be done. So, so many questions are arised. So, in the communication based on that alone, we finished all the work simultaneously in the manner. The next one, the done, how it is to be done and when it is to be done. So, the communication is a very, very important role in our subsidiary function. So, my dear viewers, today we are discussed the chapter 2, the functions of management, the main functions of the main function and the subsidiary function. So, main function we discussed for 7 headings for planning, organizing, directing, controlling, coordinating, motivating and staffing. Then next one, the subsidiary functions of, you will take the innovation, decision making, representation and communication. So, today we are discussed in these topics. So, next class we will see the remaining next chapter. Thank you very much.